Hello everyone, and this video we will continue to look at earthquakes. Our objective for this lesson is to describe the impacts of earthquakes on life and property. Pause for a few seconds and I would like you to observe the images and explain what is happening in each one of them. From our previous studies on earthquakes, including the images you were just observing, you would have learned that earthquakes can cause serious damages to life and property. Before we look at these damages, I would like you to complete this activity. Seismologists determine the intensity of an earthquake from the effects on people, human structure, and the natural environment. There are low intensity earthquakes and they are severe or what is known as high intensity ones that cause serious widespread damage and destruction. Earthquake can destroy property and cause death. If you can recall in 2010, the earthquake that ravaged Haiti, killing over 300,000 people and destroying buildings, roads, schools, and businesses, leaving many without homes, causing a lot of sicknesses due to the fact that infrastructures were destroyed. Some other impacts that earthquake can have on us and our environment. They can cause landslide, liquefaction, loss of revenue, fire, tsunami. Let's explore some of these effects. Tsunamis are also known as tidal waves that are caused by the sudden movement of plates under the seafloor during an underwater earthquake. When this happens, the wave can move quickly across the ocean, which can trigger erosion and destroy buildings in its path and causing loss of lives. Let's look at landslides. Landslides, these are very dangerous. I could remember a couple years we were on a field trip in Dominica and Dominica was experiencing heavy rainfall and there was this landslide that happened and caused a home to slip down the hill and the occupants of that house, they were buried alive. It was so sad. Anyway, earthquakes can also cause landslides, which is very dangerous for buildings in unstable areas on hillsides or mountains where soft soil can be liquefied by the tremors of the earthquake. Now, when this happens, it can cause buildings to fall down hills with soil and bury people alive under that soil. Sad. The vibration produced by an earthquake can cause liquefaction. This is where the soil becomes unconsolidated, causing buildings to lose its structural integrity and other objects to sink. Earthquakes are hard to predict and can happen at any time. The impacts of an earthquake can affect us and our environment. Prevention of earthquakes are impossible. Hence, we must put suitable actions in place to reduce injuries and deaths. In our next lesson, we will explore some of the mitigation measures that are in place at the individual, national, and regional level to reduce the impacts of earthquakes. Now that we have come to the end of this lesson, I really do hope that you did learn something. Please remember to thumbs up, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so. Thank you.